Have you ever wondered how people make money while they sleep? The stock market might sound scary at first, but it's actually one of the smartest ways to grow your money over time. You don't need to be a financial genius or have thousands of dollars to get started. In this video, I'll break it down step by step so even a beginner can feel confident. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start investing and make your money work for you. The stock market is like a big marketplace where people buy and sell pieces of companies. These pieces are called stocks or shares. When you own a stock, it means you own a small part of that company. The goal is to buy stocks when they're low and sell them when they're higher. But how do you know which stock to buy? Let's break that down next. You might be asking, why would a company sell a part of itself to strangers? The answer is simple. They need money to grow. By selling shares, companies raise funds to expand, build new products, or improve services. In return, they give investors like you a chance to earn money if the company does well. So, buying stocks means you're helping businesses grow while growing your wealth too. Investing is all about patience and smart choices. You pick stocks of companies you believe will do well in the future and hold on to them for a while. Over time, as the company grows, your investment also grows. But not every stock is a winner, and that's where research comes in. Don't worry, I'll teach you how to spot the best stocks in just a few steps. A lot of people are scared because they think the stock market is full of experts and complicated rules. They imagine losing money fast and avoid investing altogether. But the truth is, anyone can learn how to invest with a little guidance and practice. The stock market doesn't reward fear. It rewards knowledge and discipline. So let's get rid of that fear and take it one step at a time. One of the best things about investing is that you don't need thousands of dollars to begin. Many platforms let you invest with as little as $5 or $10. It's more important to start and stay consistent rather than waiting to save a huge amount. Even small investments, when done regularly, can grow into something big over time. Wouldn't it be amazing to see your money multiply while you sleep? To start investing, you'll need a brokerage account. This is where you buy and sell stocks online. There are many apps and websites that make this super easy, even for beginners. Look for low fees, easy navigation, and helpful tools to make investing simple. I'll guide you through picking the best one based on your needs. Investing always comes with some risk, but that's where the reward lies. Higher returns often come with higher risk, but smart strategies can help you manage it. You don't need to invest everything in one stock or bet big on risky options. Spreading your investments across different companies can lower the danger. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. Stock charts might look complicated at first glance, but once you know what to look for, it becomes simple. The charts show how a stock's price has changed over time. This helps you spot patterns and trends to make better decisions. Don't worry, you don't need to be a math expert to understand it. I'll show you the key things that matter most for beginners. Some stocks pay you money just for holding them, and that's called a dividend. It's like getting a small reward while you wait for the stock's value to go up. Not all stocks pay dividends, but many stable companies do. Dividends can help boost your returns, especially if you reinvest them. Imagine getting paid while you sit back and relax. Picking stocks doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start by looking at companies you already know and trust. Check if they have a steady history of growth and good leadership. Also, look at their earnings and how they're performing compared to competitors. These small steps will help you feel more confident before you invest. Diversification means spreading your investments across different stocks or sectors. This way, if one stock doesn't do well, others can balance it out. It's a smart way to protect your money without taking unnecessary risks. You can invest in tech, healthcare, energy, or even global markets. The key is to balance growth and safety. A lot of beginners make the mistake of jumping into trending stocks without proper research. Just because a stock's price is rising doesn't mean it's a good buy. It's important to look at the company's long-term potential and not just the current hype. Ask yourself, will this stock still be strong in 5 years? This simple question can save you from bad decisions. It's easy to panic when stocks drop or get overly excited when they rise, but making decisions based on emotions can lead to poor investments. Set goals and stick to your plan, even during market swings. Remember, investing is a long game, not a quick win. Staying calm will help you stay in control and make smarter moves. A stop loss is a tool that helps protect your investment by automatically selling a stock when it drops to a certain price. This way, you don't lose more than you're comfortable with. It's like having a safety net while you sleep or go about your day. Beginners find this especially helpful because it takes the guesswork out of decision-making. Setting it up is quick and gives you peace of mind. Tracking your portfolio doesn't have to be time-consuming or stressful. Many apps give you a dashboard where you can see your investments, profits, and losses. It's important to check regularly, but not obsess over every price change. A simple weekly review helps you stay informed without burning out. Consistency is key to building good habits. Market crashes happen from time to time, and they can be scary if you're not prepared. But they're also a chance to buy quality stocks at lower prices. History shows that markets always recover over time. sometimes stronger than before. The important part is to stay patient and not sell in panic. Crashes can be opportunities, not disasters. Compounding is when your investment grows by earning returns on top of returns. The longer you invest, the bigger the effect becomes. Even small amounts can turn into significant wealth if you stick with it. It's like planting a tree and watching it grow over years into something huge. Starting early gives you a huge advantage. It's better to invest regularly, even if it's just a small amount. Monthly or weekly investments help you build wealth steadily, without stressing about market ups and downs. You don't need to time the market perfectly to succeed. Consistency beats luck in the long run. Make investing part of your routine. Investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, and expecting instant results can lead to frustration. It takes time, patience, and discipline to see real growth. Some months you'll gain, and others you might lose a little. That's normal and part of the journey. Focus on staying consistent, and the results will follow. There's tons of information out there, but not all of it is helpful. Stick to trusted websites, books, or educational platforms that teach long-term strategies instead of quick hacks. Learning step by step prevents you from making costly mistakes. You don't need to know everything at once. Build your knowledge gradually. I'll share some resources at the end to keep you on track. Successful investors think long-term and stay calm during market ups and downs. They don't let emotions drive decisions or chase trends blindly. They set clear goals, plan ahead, and stick to their strategies. Developing the right mindset is just as important as learning the technical parts of investing. It's the mindset that keeps you going when things get tough. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is trying to invest too fast without understanding what they're buying. Another mistake is getting caught up in social media hype or listening to random tips. Overtrading, panicking, and ignoring diversification can also hurt your progress. Avoiding these common pitfalls will save you from unnecessary stress. Let's focus on smart, patient, and informed investing instead. There's no shame in asking for guidance from a financial advisor, especially when you're unsure about investments. Professionals can help you create a plan, manage risk, and stay on track with your goals. Just make sure to choose someone trustworthy and with a good track record. You can also start by learning yourself and consulting when needed. It's all about building confidence as you grow. Investing might seem complicated, but it's actually simple when you break it down step by step. Start small, stay consistent, and always keep learning from trusted sources. Don't let fear or excitement control your decisions. Stick to a plan and stay patient. Remember, it's a long journey where discipline wins over time. Take the first step today and start building your future. If you found this guide helpful, you're already on your way to becoming a smart investor. Don't stop here. Check out our playlist on beginner investment strategies where we go even deeper. You'll find more tips, tools, and real examples to boost your confidence. Hit the next video and keep learning how to make your money work for you. Let's build wealth together, one smart decision at a time.